Hi guys, my name is Brick Wither, better known as Dr. Anna Saylor's daughter, and welcome to the Every Chiropractic Center. Come on in. We've been in business now for 25 years, so might as well give you a good tour of the office. When you first walk into the office, we have some scents that you can smell. We sell all of these behind the counter. Ask our front desk for more information. We also have books that you can read, water if you're feeling quenched, and this is our waiting room. So our two most famous friends at the office is our office dog Briggs, and fun fact, he's actually my dog and Dr. Anna Saylor's dog. And our other famous is Skelly here, and he's always dressed up for whatever holiday or occasion we feel like dressing him up for. So our iPads are actually down right now, but usually when you come in and you check in on our iPad. It's broken, but you check it on our iPad, just fill out the quick questionnaire, and then what you do is you grab our card from me, the favorite front desk employee, and then you come over here and you grab a number and go to the room, and we'll show that later. And also, here's the bathroom if you need it. Okay, let's go to the back. So, the first room right here is room 7. If you're a new patient or you need a re-exam, this is where we do all of our scanning. So it's just a room filled with plants. There's me. And there's my mother. Anyways, so another fun fact is at me and Dr. Saylor's house, we have what is it called? A lending library, basically. And we actually have one right here. So if you ever want to take a book and put a book back, you are totally welcome to do that. And we also have a whole bunch of pamphlets if you need. So right above the books is our product of the month. Make sure when you're walking by to always check the product of the month to make sure what the deal is this month. It's usually a special of some kind. And then over here, right across, this is where we keep all of our products for sale. Like I said, if you have any questions, ask me, the favorite front desk boy. So this room, right across from room 7, is our laser room. If you can't tell, my mom is I can't say the word out loud, but she's really good at what she does. But another thing that we sell is our laser. These are just some of the things that it can help. Another thing that honestly it helps with is acne. My mom, if you follow her on TikTok, she told the story, but it helps a lot and it's really good to have. So these two rooms, this is room 6 and this is room 2. This is where, right here, this is where you'll put your marker when you come into a room. These are just our adjustment rooms, so they're honestly pretty basic.
Go.
I'm not allowed to say they're basic. They're cool rooms, but not compared to the ones back here. Good?
Go.
Okay, so these are our back rooms. These are my personal favorite rooms. So this is our massage room. Our lovely masseuses, Heather and Megan, they get booked really fast. So if you want to see them, get in soon. So right next to our massage room is room 4 and room 5. These are the jungle rooms / the kids rooms. Room 4 is a little smaller, but we have stickers, games, toys, anything your heart desires. And then in room 5, it's basically the same thing, but way bigger. I try to do these weekly, but I always forget, but usually there's a question of the week for kids to answer, and the question of the week, don't look at this, but it will be, what's your dream vacation? Okay. Oh, okay. This is the beautiful face that you would see behind the front desk when you come in every. If you have any questions or concerns or want to make an appointment, our number is 248-616-0900, and our address is 4203 Rochester Road.